I'd like to talk about your electrical box. No one ever said their electrical box was in a convenient place, somewhere where they love to get to it. It's always in the farthest corner of your basement, in a cupboard, in a tiny space, which is what ours is here. Ours is in the farthest corner of my basement, and it's closed in here. Most people only ever go to their electrical box when they have to turn a switch back or a breaker back on because they've blown a breaker. But if you're going to do any electrical work, you need to learn where all the breakers in your house go to and what they shut off. And if you do find out anything in your house is not listed on one of these, which if your house is like our house, you'll have a circuit that's all the ceiling lights in the living room, dining room, kitchen, and one outlet in the far corner of the basement. And maybe the ceiling lights will be listed, but the one outlet that's in the far corner of the basement won't be listed. So when you're working on this, you want to have a pen and just make a quick note sometimes what is in each of these. Sometimes you may run out of room. If you run out of room, you could always stick something out in your margins on the lid or something. But the more information you have on your circuits, the better. Now that you know where your circuits are, one thing now you need to know is how to turn a circuit off and on. I'm going to show you kind of a close-up here. I've got, and I'll show you here, like this one here says, I have the first floor and the basement lighting. This one's bedroom lighting. This one's our air conditioner, dryer, range. This one's our kitchen TV and lighting, master bedroom. This is our rec room, the east wall where our sink is. These newer ones down here, you can tell the newer ones, they've got special shutoffs, and then because they're part of the kitchen. Up here are some of the older circuits. Our box has been new, but our wiring is old. This is a 1942 house. So basically, I want to just show you how to shut off one of the circuits, and this is what you're going to do. We're in the basement right now. This is where the fridge and the freezer is. This is the kitchen appliances, living room, or my workshop, the shop outlets, and the washer wall. This is the furnace, my washing machine, workshop. So I think and that's a larger circuit over there. Lighting in the rec room. I think what we'll do here is we're going to turn off the basement fridge and freezer. They're right next to us. I can hear them turn off. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the switch and you're going to turn it. Now you see it's dark in here. We lost the lighting. But this is now off. The lights next to us went off. The lights, you could hear the refrigerator and the freezer go off. So we know that this circuit is off. Now you could work on an outlet or whatever that's hooked on this circuit. Even if you think an outlet is on the circuit and you have this off, you should plug something into the outlet that's there and double check. Now I'm going to turn this one back on. Here's how you turn the circuit back on. Okay, the lighting came back on, the refrigerator came back on, you heard it. That's how I know that the circuit's back on.